Welcome back, Smile Jammers. On set with me now is, I can't just say gospel artist, I'll have to say gospel minister, Judith Gayle. She is with me to discuss a number of projects. Good morning, Judith.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's awesome to have you. So many things on the plate. Let's start with the books first.
Okay.
Let's start with the books. There are two.
Yes.
Had I Not Known. And the other says,
Broken to be blessed, destined to
Broken
win.
to be blessed. Talk to me about Had I Not Known first.
Had I not known you, actually, that's what it says.
Yes,
It
you.
speaks of church hurt and how to overcome them.
Church hurt.
Yes.
What that mean, miss? I know what it means, and I fully understand, but for the listeners.
Yes, well, I mean, there are so many people in the church that is hurting.
Yeah.
Right now, maybe by their leaders, people in the church, or, you know, otherwise. But to be honest with you, I've been there. And I know that to get my breakthrough, or for me to be, you know, who God has called me to be, I need to do some stuff. And in the book, you will find out how to overcome these things so that you can be always on top.
A true man, sometimes I people say, boy, if I never know Jesus myself,
Exactly.
wouldn't make me know him at all.
Yes.
So this is a great book, and it addresses an issue that's often overlooked because people feel because you're in the church, you're not being hurt. And you can be. Sometimes people move to another denomination, but never away from Christ. And I think this is what this is powerful to say.
It is.
Talk to me about the next
Broken
one.
to be blessed, destined to win is my life story.
Wow.
From my secular days to coming into the church, the things that I faced, and at the end of the day, I stood my ground, even though I could have died.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. I don't think a lot of people know this about you, you know, Judith.
I know.
They hear the amazing voice
Yes.
and the powerful ministry, and I think sometimes they think, oh, Judith is so blessed with this voice, and you know, she will just go and minister, minister. But there is a human journey behind Judith Gayle, and we get to share that.
Yes.
And where do we get the books?
You can get them on Amazon or at the event that we're having.
Yeah. All right, we'll talk about the event soon. And this
Breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Yes.
Tell me about Breakthrough.
Life is a journey.
Yes.
Different steps.
Yes.
And so therefore, there is a place that you come to where, you know, you would ask yourself the question, why God, why me? But then there comes a time when after start going through, you realize that, this is only for my good. And if you can find that out on this journey, then trust me, you're going to get your breakthrough. But there's a lot of things to give up. The bitterness, the resentment, the hatred, the jealousy, the envy, all these things. You have to be able to pass them. It's like the movie Pilgrim Progress. You have to overcome all these obstacles in your way. Trust me. And at the end of it, you're going to, you know, find yourself sitting and walking in that, you know, God-given potential that you were called, you know, in this world.
I like to say that when you find your breakthrough, you allow others to come through.
Well, you have to go through first.
Yes, because when you tell them all the way you go through to breakthrough, it inspires them as well to come through to their own breakthrough. So all of that. And then now we're talking about perfume. Tell me about this, Miss Judith.
Well, for me, I believe sitting in our churches are people with a lot of giftings, and they don't know how to pull that out. And that is why I'm having this concert. That is why I came back to Jamaica to do this. Because I want to tell people, look, you don't have to sit in the church and be poor. You don't have to. I don't believe in poverty. I don't believe in that. I curse that. But you can do something with your life. There are things out there. It's not really money we need. We need a vision. And once you have that vision, trust me, the God we serve will make the provision.
And Judith, talk to me about the perfume line.
So
I see the Rose,
the Rise,
the Venus,
and the Hero for the Men.
And the Hero for the Men. All right, I'm Exceptional collection. That's what it is.
Yes.
And I'm Exceptional fashion.
Yes.
So it's fragrance and fashion.
Yeah, I have a skirt line too.
What?
That I did.
Is this one of the skirts?
No, I was going to wear it this morning, but unfortunately I couldn't.
Oh, okay.
I want to surprise everybody.
Yes.
But I sit and I design the fabrics myself.
Yes.
And so
you get it done. All right, so there's a major event. Tell me about it.
So we have Slayed with Praise 2, the Jamaica edition. It's going to be at Swallowfield Chapel this Saturday, October 12th, starting at 7 p.m. We have people like Carrie Sales, Jervin Gordon, Kevin Heath, Markland Action Edward as the MC, and Dahlia, Davine Butler from Bluesic Media. Listen, we want everybody to come out. We're giving back also. Time is 7 p.m. and I'm giving back to I'm giving back to 2 college students that I've identified. I want to help them. So we're not just having a concert. We're giving back. So people can go get their tickets at York Pharmacy, Fort Memorial Pharmacy, Town Center Pharmacy, Enigma in Halfway Tree, or call 1-876-441-4422.
And they'll be able to get books
and they'll be able to get the fragrance.
And hear the powerful Judith perform.
And hear me.
It's always awesome to see you, Judith.
Thank you,
you are a gift to us, and we're very, very happy that you continue to minister.
Thank you,
Please go out and support Judith Gayle, Gospel Minister, this weekend at Swallowfield. Get your tickets. You really don't want to miss it.
Nope.
We're going to take a break. 10 Minutes to Your Health is next, and we'll be talking about cataracts. Stay with us.